Hey, finally, we're all online at the same time.
I know, right? It took forever to sync our schedule. I've been running around like a headless chicken lately.
Tell me about it. My calendar's been packed to the brim, but I'm glad we carved out time for this.
Same, I needed this little break. I've been glued to my laptop all week.
Ah, I heard you. I've been drawing an assignment. I literally pulled an all-nighter yesterday. I'm running on fumes.
Oh no, you really need to cut yourself some slack, Nathan.
I wish everything I try to chill. Something else pop up, it never ends.
That's adulting for you. Anyway, Krisha, didn't you say you were working on a secret project?
Yeah, I finally took the plunge and started my own YouTube channel.
No way!
No way, that's
That's
awesome.
awesome. What kind of stuff are you posting?
Just lifestyle content for now, vlogs, DIY, and maybe some book reviews. You know, whatever floats my boat.
You've always been so creative. I've been meaning to start a podcast, but I keep putting it off.
You totally should. You've got the voice and personality for it.
For real? Don't overthink it. Just dive in.
All right. You've twisted my arm. Maybe this weekend I'll brainstorm some ideas.
Yes, we love that energy.
Look at us, motivated and all grown up. Who would you thought?
Right, though I'm still sitting here in pajama pants. Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Same here. Business on the top, party on the bottom.
Classic Zoom life?
Okay, I hate to be the buzzkill, but I've got half off soon. My Wi-Fi starting to act up and still have a ton of stuff to do.
No worries. This was just what I needed. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Let's not wait another pandemic to have a proper catch up.
Deal. Alright, love you guys. Catch you later.
Bye, Krisa.
Bye, Krisha. Take care.
Take her.
She's such a go-getter. I need some energy.
Same right and off too. Don't be a stranger, okay?
Never. Later, Nathan.